Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdulrahim, back again with an amazing, great video. Actually, the video of today is all about the vlog. I've been not making vlogs, and I'm thinking about busting vlogs and keep the vlogs into minimum amount of time. Let me just get started here. It's been a tough week, tough day. We can call it tough things, tough going, tough whatever. Okay, let me just keep it like this, keep it simple. It's why are you so multi-talented? I mean, you're 1 talented, 2 talented, 3 talented, 4 talented, 5 talented, 6 talented, and fourth, blah 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 blah. You're good at photography, at the same time you're good at computer stuff, at the same time you're good at doctor. There are people who they're doctors and they do photography. It's something which is not weird. It's something which we can call it a gift. It's a talent, right? Now, let me just first of all thank Edmark for giving me this coffee. Edmark, thank you so much for giving me this coffee. And actually, this video is not sponsored by Edmark, but Edmark, I really thank you. And Yusuf, thank you so much, bro, for giving me this stuff. They really give me good result, and you guys too. You should just go and check it out. So for further info, first of all, let us just get some B-roll of coffee so as I can just get started here. So yeah, like I was saying, guys, actually, why so multi-talented? This kind of topic, I was talking here with somebody, and it just came out on my head, and I said, why not make a vlog on this one and explaining it? You know, you may find yourself that you're so multi-talented, whereby you're in a society, and the society just looks you in a different perspective. Definitely. You know why like that? It's because that you are totally different than anybody else, and people, they don't know about that, and they find it's a little bit quite different from them, because you find yourself that you are the best at something, and you're the best at something. You know, we human beings, we love exploring a lot of stuff, right? Now, if you love exploring a lot of stuff, you must just have across a lot of talents, but they tell you just focus with one, which it might bring a lot of fruits. I'm actually 100% with you guys who think that focusing with one thing is 100% correctly, but how about the others? Will you just leave the other one behind? Let me know in the comments down below, you guys, what you're thinking. If you are cross multi-talented and you're having a broad of ideas, and you're working on them, and you're really productive, and yeah, that's what's up. So I don't want to take your time, bunch of it, because I say that, and I promise that vlogs won't be longer, won't be 10 minutes of vlogs. It will be just like 7, 6. It depends sometimes with the place where I am and shooting the video and stuff like that, explaining a bunch of stuff like that. That is I'm in a little bit of a room whereby the walkway of the road is just like every car passes, the motorcycle and stuff like that, it just makes sound. So I'm really sorry for that if you find it's not that much convenience. So yeah, that's what's up. So I was talking about the coffee called gourmet black coffee. You guys know gourmet coffee? Gourmet coffee is a type of coffee which is, it's so good. It has a lot of things which they can help you out. First of all, I can give shout out to Edmark for giving me this product. It's so great, and that product have been so amazing since day one. I've been using them. I used the first kit, which is so great. So I'll leave all the links down below, so as you guys, you can go and check them out. It will be so great, and you'll get to know this kind of product. I don't want to explain each part of product because I'm just like an end user, and I give out the results of how the end user just used the product. So as I said, guys, I'm multi-talented. You just let me know in the comments down below, what are you thinking? Is it that much worth it sticking with one shit, or leave others behind and focus with one thing which can give you out more success, which is quite amazing to me. But if you're having a side a side, not the side which you guys are thinking right now, it's a side kind of talent which you are having it, and you want to just improve it to your own self. So at the end of the day, as I said, stay just positive. Don't let negativity ruin your day or ruins you, because it's actually not good. So yeah, that's what's up. So I'm about to sign out, and I'll be catching you guys on the next video. Now if you're new here, my name is Abdurrahim 112, and don't forget to subscribe. It will be so great, and I'll be catching you guys on the next video. Peace.